Hello children, in this video we are going to learn more opposite words. Let us start. Fill in the blanks with the correct opposite word. Here you can see there is a sentence and in the bracket there are two options. Ajay likes dash tea, not cold lassi. Which is the opposite of the word cold? Which word is the opposite of the word cold that you have to guess? Let us check the answer. Ajay likes hot tea, not cold lassi. Let us go to the next sentence. Raw idlis are dash, but cooked idlis are soft. So, what is the opposite of soft? Hard or wet? Which is the correct option? Let us check. Raw idlis are hard, but cooked idlis are soft. So the opposite of soft is hard. Now you can mute the video and read the sentences on your own. Let us go to the next sentence. Priya got dash in the rain, but her bag stayed dry. What is the opposite of dry? Rough or wet? What is the opposite of dry? Rough or wet? Let us check. Priya got wet in the rain, but her bag stayed dry. The opposite of dry is wet. Let us go to the next. The glass is dash, but the stone is rough. What is the opposite of rough? Is it smooth or sharp? Opposite of rough is, let us check the answer. The glass is smooth, but the stone is rough. So the opposite of rough is smooth. Rohan used a dash knife, not a blunt one. What is the opposite of blunt? The two options are sharp and tight. Let us check the answer. Rohan used a sharp knife but not a blunt one. The opposite of blunt is sharp. Dia kept her room dash, not dirty. The options are clean and loose. What is the opposite of the word dirty? Dia kept her room clean, not dirty. So the opposite of dirty is clean. The kurta is dash, but the shorts are loose. What is the opposite of the word loose? Tight or blunt? The kurta is tight, but the shorts are loose. So the opposite of loose is tight. The train is dash, but the cycle is slow. What is the opposite of slow? Fast or push? Let us check. The train is fast, but the cycle is slow. The opposite of slow is fast. Arjun had to dash the door, not pull it. What is the opposite of pull? Open or push? Let's check. Arjun had to push the door, not pull it. Meera will dash the box and then close it. What's the opposite of close? open or long? Yes, you guessed it right. Mira will open the box and then close it. Opposite of close is open. Amit must dash the gate now and unlock it tomorrow. What's the opposite of the word unlock? Is it lock or sink? Let's check. Amit must lock the gate now and unlock it tomorrow. So the opposite of unlock is lock. Wood can dash on water, but stones sink. The two options are float and crawl. What's the opposite of sink? The two options are float and crawl. Let's check. Wood can float on water, but stones sink. So the opposite of sink is float. Birds can dash high, but bugs crawl. What's the opposite of crawl? Is it fly or drop? Let's check. Birds can fly high, but bugs crawl. So the opposite of crawl is fly. Sanya can dash the ball, so do not drop it. Sit or catch. What is the opposite of the word drop? Sit or catch. Sanya can catch the ball, so do not drop it. The opposite of drop is catch. Rajesh had to dash up and not sit down. What's the opposite of sit? Is it stand or run? Let's check. Rajesh had to stand up and not sit down. Here you can see on the screen 15 pairs of opposite words. In your notebook, write down these pairs. Pause the video and write these pairs in your notebook. Write these words in your English notebook. Well done! You have guessed the words right. Keep practicing.